Hi, welcome to blog.web6.org. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show small thumbnails in front of your website using 2014 child theme. First of all, I'm sorry about my voice because I always have allergy every spring, so it affects my voice somehow, but I still want to share and want to make this video anyway if someone needs it. So first step is we're going to go to thumbnail codex, so I will post the link below this video. As you can see, this is the post thumbnail codex in WordPress official codex here in this page. And second is let me show you how this tutorial will looks like in the end of the result. So this is the end of the result. As you can see, this is my blog and this is the front page. So basically there are posts who have thumbnails like hello, this post doesn't have thumbnails, but if I go to title 2, it has thumbnail, and if I click on the thumbnail, as you can see now the thumbnail is gone. So I just want to display in the front page, but I'm going to show you how to display in both pages. So first step is of course you're going to create child theme, so make sure that you create already a child theme. If you haven't done so, click the link on this video in the green background to create child theme of 2014 child theme. And if I go to inside my dashboard, so wp-admin, and then go to appearance and themes, and as usual I have my child theme active here already, and it's called my 2014. As you can see, it has different screenshot with the original one. This means that I am using 2014 child theme. So I'm still using 2014 child theme. However, this is the blog that we will work with. So as you can see, if I click on the home page, this has no thumbnails like this one, the square ones, but it still have the default thumbnails of 2014, as you can see, with the big image on the top. And if you kind of don't really like these thumbnails, you can modify this thumbnail size with this tutorial. So let's go to the web server connected to our web server with FTP client. I'm using FileZilla at the moment, and use your preferred FTP client if you want, or if you like, you can also log in directly to your cPanel. And I'm going to connect with one of my sites here and then hit connect. And because I connected with SFTP, I have to trust this key. So here it is. Once I'm connected, I know what kind of files I have and folders I have in my web server. As you can see, this is ordinary WordPress file and folder structure, and my 2014 child theme is inside wp-content. Click on that folder, and then here on themes, and then here in my 2014 folder, this is my 2014 child theme. Click on that, and as you can see, this is what I have at the moment. Maybe you will have many files or folders, but in this tutorial I'm using only these 2 files inside my 2014 child theme. So the next step is we're going to copy the original 2014 file. But before we do that, let's go first to our dashboard and see what kind of files we have here in 2014 parent theme. So I'm going to appearance and here in editor, and then make sure that it's 2014 parent theme is selected, so 2014 and select. And here we're going to look for index.php because we want to modify the front page of 2014. So going to index.php if I find it anyway. Okay, there it is, main index template, which is called index.php. I'm going to click that file, and it will show me the content of index.php file. So actually in this file we can see that in main content area, which is in index, it imported or getting the theme part of template called content.php. Then in this case, we're going to copy content.php file. So there it is. We're going to copy this file into our child theme. So we're going to go to content.php to select that files and click it, and then it will show us the whole content of content.php. So let's copy this. Copy all of this. You can select it from top to the bottom, or you can use your keyboard shortcut with Mac is Command and A or Control and A in PC. That will select all of the content here inside this file, and then copy it with Control and C to copy, or in Mac Command and C to copy, and then go to our FileZilla again. So here in this folder, in our child theme folder, we're going to create new file. So right click it and then create new file. And here we're going to name it same as 2014 parent theme file, which is content.php. So take care of the letters. It is case sensitive, so it should be content.php. And then hit OK button. Now in content.php, we're going to right click it, view or edit, and it will open the file in our text editor. In this case, I have Sublime Text 3. You can download it for free or purchase it if you like, but it works both. So going to paste all of the code that I just copied inside my dashboard earlier, this one, and it will be copied here in content.php, and I'm going to hit save. So file and file and then save, or using keyboard shortcut Command and S, and then go to FileZilla again and update the file with clicking yes button, and it will be updated to our servers. So at the moment it doesn't bring anything, any changes here in our file because it's still copying the original of 2014. So we go back to our demo homepage again, and then now we go back to our text editor again, and let's delete this because this code is displaying the big thumbnails here. So let's delete this and we will see what happens. Save it and then update again our file to our web servers, and then refresh it, and now sure enough it's now gone, the thumbnails that we used. So it was in title 4, and then if you go back here, it will disappear from our site. But as you can see now, we cannot see the title here. This is easy, so we go back to our homepage again and then click on customize. So let's open the new tab, and whenever we want to add in the content sidebar in the right side and add widgets, it will display our title again. So save and publish, and go back to our site. It was in title 4, so I can just refresh it. As you can see now, we still cannot see the title, but however, after adding widget, we refresh our site and it will display the title again now nicely. So next is we're going to edit our file again. So we just did remove the original 2014 thumbnail. We just did it earlier, and the next is we're going to display the thumbnail. So if we go here to our settings and then media, going to open it in a new tab, as you can see, we have in our media settings, we have thumbnail size, medium size, and large size. As you can see, the thumbnail size is 180 times 150, 150 times 150, and the medium size has this size and the large size has this size. So as you can see, it has its own size, so we will have the thumbnail size as 150 and 150. We will leave it by default today. So going to close this media setting again and go to our codex, and here we want to post to link the thumbnail to our post. So we just going to copy and paste this and go back to our Sublime Text, and right after the div class entry dash content, we're going to hit enter one time and then paste this code, and I'm going to make the code easy to read. Okay, so it's basically displaying the thumbnail of our thumbnail, so not 2014 thumbnail. So let's hit save and update the FileZilla to update the file to the server. And when it says directory listing successful, we go to refresh our blog and we will see what happened. As you can see now, the title 4 has thumbnail earlier, that's why it's showing thumbnail. The other one doesn't have thumbnail because we just add the code. If the post has thumbnail, then it will show the post thumbnail or the featured image, and the featured image is linked to the permalink of the post. So if I go to click on the title 2, it will bring me to the title 2 and it still has the thumbnails, as you can see. And go back to our homepage again. Here, homepage again, and maybe you ask how can this happen? I mean, title 4 has thumbnail and title 3 doesn't have thumbnail. This is because we have to put set featured image. So I go back to my dashboard again. So once we are in dashboard, go to post and click on all posts, and we will see on title 4, so edit it, and here scroll down, you will see it has featured image. So you have to set featured image. And let's go to title 3, go to all posts again, and go to title 3, which doesn't have image or thumbnails in the homepage because I don't put here set featured image. So if I go to my blog again, visit site again, here is the result. So title 3 doesn't have thumbnails because I don't have I don't have set any featured image yet. So let's set featured image for the demo. Upload files and select files. Let's select it from the pictures and my desktop pictures, and maybe we want to put this maybe not this image. So maybe we want to put this image as a set featured image. So open it, and then make sure that you put any data here to be best practice, and then click on set featured image. And as you can see, this post has set featured image in post 3. So we're going to update it. And now if we go to front page, as you can see, title 3 doesn't have thumbnails like title 2, but if we refresh it, now we have featured image that I've just uploaded. So as you can see, this code displaying this featured image, whatever featured image that I set. Now maybe you don't like this kind of big image that it has, so it's not really thumbnails, it's really big, so you want to decrease the thumbnail size. What you can do is you can pass the parameter here inside the underscore post underscore thumbnail, and between the brackets, I mean this I don't know how you call it, and then between this you're going to type in quotes, and between quotes you're going to type it thumbnail. Okay, and then hit save and update it again with our FileZilla and click on yes. So when it says directory listing successful, we go to our blog and refresh our blog, and then you will see now our image is actually cropped into 150 times 150, because as you can remember, we went to media settings earlier. So here, settings and media, as you can see, the thumbnail size is 150 times 150. So if I go to right click and inspect element, and as you can see, WordPress crop the image automatically into 150 times 150 because we define here inside our parameter the thumbnail is in thumbnail size. So now that we have our thumbnail in our front page or home page in our website, as you can see, it needs kind of styling. As you can see, the image doesn't really combine with the text itself. So what I want is I want to align the image to the left and let all the text surround this image. So what we can do is we can go back to our codex again and put the array to the align left class. So we're going to copy this and paste it here, So right after thumbnail, and then paste it here and delete the these brackets. And as you can see, now we passed the displaying the line left class for our thumbnail and hit save, and then update it with FileZilla. And now we go back to our file again, our site again, and refresh it. At the moment it's still not aligned. If we refresh our blog, and it's error. So going to 55 and going to, we missed the comma there, and save it. Oh, it's not yet updated. So now if we scroll down, as you can see, the thumbnail is aligned automatically to the left nicely. So that's how you can display the thumbnails in homepage and in single page. So if I go click on title 2, it will bring me to title 2 with the thumbnail. However, I myself would prefer only displaying in homepage, so not in single page. So this is the demo actually. This is the homepage, as you can see in this URL, and title 4 I have other title 2 as well. Title 1 doesn't have homepage, so let's go to the title 2 which has thumbnail. If I click on that, in this page it doesn't have any thumbnail, it just have any other image that it's uploaded to this post, as you can see. So this is actually the result of the tutorial. So I have two alternatives, and if you really like to display a thumbnail in single page or in post page itself again, then you can stop right here. But if you want to only display thumbnails only in home page, then you will need to follow me along. So we're going back to our text editor, exactly starting from if search, so if search page, so exactly on this file, and then select it until down until PHP, and if we delete all of this, and then we're going to replace the code that I will provide. So I'm going to, and then right in the cursor, so between the header, the end of the header, and the tags PHP block, we're going to paste the code that I've just I will provide. And this is exactly, I just modify the whole content.php code, that if the user is on search page, it will be displaying the excerpt, or else if the user is in home page, it will display the thumbnails including the line left class, and then the title, permalink, and then the continue reading. Else in every page except of the search page and home page, it will display the content itself and the link in the pages which displaying previous and next post, and then the tag. So basically it will only display the thumbnail in the home page, like in the demo site that I've just show you. So if I'm going now to save this file, so I'm going to hit save and then go to FileZilla again and click yes on updating the file in the server. When it's done, we're going to refresh our blog and go to the title 3, and then with clicking the thumbnail, and as you can see, the title 3 doesn't have thumbnail in the title 3 post page. As you can see, this is the title 3 post, so it doesn't have the thumbnail. It only has the thumbnail in the home page. So I hope this tutorial on how to show small thumbnails in your homepage of your 2014 child theme built-it website can be helpful for you. That's all guys, thank you for watching and take care of yourself. Goodbye.